Hey, what's up, guys? This is Ankit here, and in this video, we will see how you can create a phone number, and that should link to the dial pad, right? So you have a page, and you want a phone number is mentioned, and you want that once someone clicks on that phone number, the number should automatically go to their dial pad, and the call should connect, right? So before I begin with this video, I'd like to tell you that if you have some specific issues with Groove Funnels, or if you want me to work with you on your project or create a landing page or funnel for you, you can connect with me personally on my Facebook Messenger, and the link for that is given in the description box. Okay. So coming back to the video, so this is just a template that I have taken, and it's about a designer or something, and this is a book a call, right? So let's say instead of this, you want a call symbol, a phone symbol icon, and your phone number displayed on this page. And once someone click on that, it should automatically connect to the phone, right? So for that, so first of all, I have to delete this because once I click on this, I see it is a button element, right? So it will not work on the button element. So I'll just delete it here. And from the elements, I'll take an element which has an icon and a text, right? So for that icon, I can replace it with a phone's icon. On the text, I'll just mention the phone number, right? So from here, I'll select this one, icon and heading. Okay, I'll drag it here. And so we have got one paragraph as well, and we don't need that. So I'll just delete it. Okay, so now we have an icon and a text, right? So on the icon, first I'll just replace it with the phone's icon. So I go here. So it's lagging. I'm not sure it's internet or system. I'll just search phone icon here, and I'll take this one. Okay. Okay. So some lagging issues. Okay, great. It's working. So size, I've just kept it whatever size you can keep it up to you. And color, probably I'll take this color, which is of the color of the website. Okay, and then link to for the icon, we don't have to link it to anything because it's just an icon that we want to show. And I'll just update it. Okay, and on the text, we'll have to mention the actual phone number. Where did it go? Okay, it's here. Okay, so you can see that, right? The icon has appeared, and here this is a text, right? So first of all, I'll just write here. What should I write? I just write the phone number where it's have to call, right? So I'll just a demo number 123456789 Okay, and I'll just double click on it, and here you can see the link option, right? You just click on the link, and here what you have to write is, please take note, TEL colon, and I'm not sure it's called colon or semicolon, but anyway, you can see that, right? Two dots, one above and one at the bottom. So TEL double dots, and without any space, the actual phone number, whatever it is. So let's say your code is +1, and then the number 123456789 right? So this code will differ from country to country, obviously. So I'm just writing it for demo, right? Okay. So, and then after this, you have to just press enter. Okay, so now it has become blue, right? But we don't want it blue. We want it, let's say we want it black, okay? So what you have to do is just double click it here, and from this color, select black. And also it shows underline, which again, we don't want. So I'll just double click it, and okay, so it still did not, okay, it went, right? There's no, okay, there's no underline, right? And now what I have to do is just click on this, the text element, and go here. And here what we have to do is, okay, so we don't have to do anything here because we have already done the setup here, right? So this is all. This is a setup. You need an icon and the phone, and here you have to do this setup, right? The one that we showed in the link. I'll do it again. TEL double dot +1 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, right? Enter. Okay, so now I'll just publish this page and I'll check whether this is working or not. Okay, so the page is published and I'll just open this link. And also there are a few more things which you can do, but it's not actually related to the video. It's more about design part. So, I'll just not go much into it. But again, if you want, you can do that. Like, just click here and give some spacing here, give some margin here so that, there's some space between. And again, you can give it a border like this and all this stuff. It's more of the design part, which will not go into this, right? So this is the page. And once someone clicks here, it goes, you can see that, right? Make a call. So as I'm operating this on my laptop, just showing this one, obviously if it's done on phone, it will directly go to the dial. Helpful. And if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel, and I keep posting more stuff about Groove Funnels. Okay, so that's all. Thank you so much for watching this video.